How to upload YouTube Shorts from your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create, Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload YouTube Shorts from your iPhone. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, on the bottom you will see a plus icon. Tap on it and record a short. Now you can just upload a short from this bottom right corner. Right there you will see a black screen, black square. Tap on it and you will be able to just import a video, or else you can just record a video too. So after you've recorded a video or imported a video, tap on this tick icon on the bottom right, and after you do so, tap on next. So after you've made the necessary changes, you can choose your visibility, location, and even select your audience. And after setting everything up, tap on upload short. And after you tap on upload short, you will have uploaded your YouTube Shorts from your iPhone. So it's that simple guys, and that is basically all for the video too. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.